morning, students. Children, just now we discussed what are the things we should do to protect our environment. It is our duty. It is the duty of each and every person to protect the environment. It is not the duty of some special people. We all should take care of our surrounding, of our environment, of our place we live in, and wherever we go, we should be very careful that we do not make that place untidy, we do not pollute those places. Now what are the things we should not do? Let us discuss. Throw waste materials or household garbage on the roads. Just now I told you, I have seen many a times people eating something and from there they are throwing the things, even spitting. Spitting means thukna, throwing your waste from your mouth. Children, if you see somebody throwing waste from the vehicles, please try to stop it. If it is your near and dear ones, you try to tell them that please don't do like this. We should all carry a paper bag or a cloth bag in our vehicles and collect the garbage, and wherever we go, the place we reach, there we can dump the waste. So never throw waste material on the roads, even when you are coming to school by a bus or your vehicles. If you are eating something or any paper waste, nothing should be outside the window. Yes, not on the roads. In the parks, we go to the parks to enjoy. It should not be dirty. It is not the work of those sweepers to clean every time. They are also human beings. Yes, their duty is to keep it neat and tidy. But we should not dirty it, that it becomes a burden for them to keep on cleaning and keeping it tight. And other places, public places we go, as I discussed, we go to any place, or we go to visit a monument, or we go to the seashore or the riverfront, or we go to visit a dam or hill station or any other place, even in your the religious places you go. We should keep it neat and tidy. We should not throw garbage here and there. Spit, urinate or defecate in open or public place. Now spit, I told you, spit means thukna, when we throw our waste from our mouth. Urinate, you know, you go for urination to the washroom. You should do all these things not in the public place, okay, not in open place. There are public toilets wherever you go. Yes, of course, wherever you go, there are washrooms, there are toilets. So you should not urinate or defecate. It means to throw your waste. We all use washrooms and toilets every day. If you are out, you have gone somewhere, please go to those public washrooms. Don't use open areas for throwing your waste. Okay? So all these things should not be done in open or any public place. Dumping waste. And one more thing I want to say, many a times we go to a place, there are staircases or places where people are not there, means those security personnel may not be there, and we can see people have spit, isn't it? There are marks on the walls, in the public places or in the staircases. Many a times I have seen people have spit and there are marks on the wall. All dirty. We should think that this is of our own. As we keep our homes neat and clean, do we spit on the walls of our homes? No, because it is our home. So that is also our country, our place, our state, our world, our planet. Okay? Dump waste, never do this. Waste in the water bodies, as I told, some people think it is a religious practice, throwing it, all the waste in the water or rivers. No, if river is considered as something sacred, please keep it neat and pollution free. Okay, so no waste should be be dumped in the water bodies. Even the factories and industries should find out a way of treating the waste, not throwing it in the water bodies. And fourth one, allow water to collect one place. If you allow water to collect one place, what happens, children? There will be mosquitoes, there will be other flies, they will be breeding. And if mosquitoes and they breed, you will get all type of diseases, different diseases. You all know that we get different diseases like malaria, chikungunya, or even other viruses which are caused due to this mosquitoes. So we should take care that these mosquitoes do not breed in this stagnant water kept in one place, and it is storing, or maybe it is raining heavily and the water is not going, so it is stored in one place. We should be careful that we should clean that place. Okay? And use plastic bags is not a practice. Should not, never use plastic. Never use plastic. Try to ban plastic and use paper bags or cloth bags, because these plastic bags, they harm the environment. We have studied. They are very harmful to the environment. So we should not use plastic bags. And they do not decompose and cause serious threat to the environment. Okay? So these are the things we should take care of. Not throwing garbage here and there, and the garbage should be thrown in a proper place, not spitting and urinating and throwing our waste here and there. Okay, in the public places also we should take care of that. It is our heritage. These public places are our heritage. We should take care of all these things. Okay, and don't use plastic bags. Use alternative bags like made of cloth or paper. Okay, keep your environment pollution free and live in a world which is a better place to live in. Thank you.